Hi, I am Rahul Agarwal, Managing Director at Precitech Forgings and Engineering Private Limited. Today, I want to talk about 7 significant mistakes that engineering and manufacturing companies commonly make when working with forging vendors and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1: not doing enough research on potential vendors. It's crucial to thoroughly vet any potential forging partners before selecting one to work with. You must examine their capabilities, expertise, experience with similar projects, quality certifications, systems and processes, and also finances, etc. Rushing into a contract without due diligence puts you at high risk of ending up with the wrong partner. Take the time upfront to ensure the vendor can deliver what you need at the level of quality and reliability you require. Mistake number 2: focusing too much on price over quality capability. Often, companies will look for the cheapest quote when sourcing forgings, but the most affordable option on paper can be the most expensive in the long run if quality issues force rework, scrap, delays, and reputational damage. Prioritize vendors that can demonstrate their technical abilities and track record over those offering the lowest bids. Don't let short-term savings trump over long-term values. Mistake number 3: not defining requirements clearly. Ambiguous, incomplete, or lacking requirements are a recipe for problems down the line. Without detailed specifications, drawings, delivery timelines, testing expectations, and other critical parameters defined upfront, vendors will be guessing or assuming and may make incorrect assumptions. This leads to discrepancies versus what you actually need. Spell out all requirements clearly and leave no room for interpretation. Confirm vendors understand them. Mistake number 4: not inspecting parts adequately before use. Simply accepting shipments at face value opens you up to major risk. Always thoroughly inspect, test, and validate forgings that matches specifications before putting them into production. Verify dimensions, materials, heat treatment, surface finish, mechanical properties, and other critical attributes. Catching issues early prevents problems down the assembly line. Don't rely on trust. Validate the quality. Mistake number 5: poor change management processes. Requirements will inevitably change over the course of a project. Without structured processes to manage changes, miscommunications breed confusions on both sides and records gets muddled. Document any specification changes through formal change orders. Follow a standard change approval procedure to ensure both parties validate alterations. Ad hoc changes often lead to mistakes. Mistake number 6: allowing a lack of transparency from vendors. An opaque vendor that doesn't provide visibility into their operations and progress should raise red flags. It would be best to have candid communication and regular status updates from forging partners. Require reports on order status, production metrics, quality issues, delays, and corrective action as applicable. The vendor should proactively notify you of any problem. Don't tolerate hidden issues. Mistake number 7. Not enforcing contract terms. If you don't consistently enforce quality standards, on-time delivery, pricing terms, and other contractual provisions, vendors have little incentive to comply fully. Strict enforcement of contracts keep vendors accountable. If deliverables are subpar or deadlines are missed, there must be consequences through predefined penalties. Make good provisions, etc. Otherwise, vendors will learn they can get away with underperformance. Thanks for watching. And if you are facing any of these challenges causing delays and losses, please feel free to connect with us to see how we can help you or minimize or completely eliminate these problems. Or you can call me on my number in the description box below. Thank you.